Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to disable on-screen keyboard in Windows 11 at startup screen. So click on Start, open Control Panel, select View by large icons, then here click on Ease of Access Center. Now here click Use the computer without a mouse or keyboard. Now unselect this option, Use on-screen keyboard. Type using the mouse or another pointing device such as a joystick by selecting keys from a picture of a keyboard. Now click on Apply, then click on OK. Now close it and restart. So this way guys, you can disable on-screen keyboard in Windows 11 at startup screen. Thanks for watching, and guys please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos, and guys please comment this video useful for you or not.